White noise has been used for decades as a tool for relaxation and improved sleep. But where did this practice originate? The concept of white noise dates back to the 1920s, when engineers discovered that combining sounds at different frequencies could produce a consistent noise that could mask other sounds. Over time, the use of white noise expanded to include applications in fields like acoustics, psychology, and sleep medicine. Today, white noise machines and apps are widely available, providing an easy and effective way to improve relaxation and sleep. So the next time you turn on your white noise machine, remember its rich history and evolution as a powerful tool for relaxation.